What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Fishing with Nordbye. We are getting toted with our canoes, toted in a van. We're going towed or toted, whatever you want to say, in a van down by the river. We're going to canoe the Flint River today. Mom's up here visiting. How you doing?
Hi, I can't wait.
How's our driver doing?
Good.
All right, there's the river down there. You guys can see it yet.
Clear.
But we got our fishing rods with us today. We're gonna be fishing out of kayaks. We're all three gonna be taking different kayaks. And this is, I don't know, about an hour away from where we live. We're excited. We're gonna try to catch some good fish for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode, a little different than what we've done before. We're gonna go kayaking down a river, 5.5 mile stretch. I'm excited. We're gonna get out here, load the kayaks. Let's go. We got our kayaks ready. Ready to go, baby?
Let's go.
She got the paddles. Mom, you ready?
I am so ready.
You excited?
I can't wait. Haven't kayaked
Beautiful
for
day.
a few years.
It's a beautiful
It
day.
is beautiful. 80 degrees the high.
I know. I'm excited. We're gonna go catch them. I'm gonna catch them. These ladies are just gonna kayak.
And take pictures.
Okay, my wife's gonna catch them. She's gonna catch the big ones.
You just tied my lure on.
Yeah. But it's your first time kayaking.
I know. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm more excited, so.
All right, let's go. Yes. Woo! Guys, Cody just caught one. What you got? What you got, babe? I think she's got a goggle eye. I just had a bite.
It has red eyes.
Red eyes. I think she's got a goggle eye.
Ew, it's bleeding.
Ha
Can you hold on, please? I'll take the picture. Hold on.
Oh, I just had one. You let it go though.
I need not to.
See if they'll eat the worm.
That way I can.
All right, let's go check out Cody's fish. All right. Ah! Bumper boats. Let's see what you got. Look at that. Look at that. She's got a goggle eye on the beaver.
Yeah.
She caught a goggle eye on it. How am I? Those are good to eat. Like we could keep those if we wanted. Look at that. You already winning the fishing competition.
That's why you didn't want me to fish. 'Cause I
There it goes. There's one. Oh shoot. I had like 2 blow-ups on this buzzbait, but they won't eat it. Huh? I've missed 2. They won't eat my buzzbait. What? There's one. Oh, he got off. He stole my whole worm.
Your lure's not too big?
It probably is. He stole my whole worm. Cast by this tree, babe. I know it. We need to back up and fish that tree again. I'm gonna go float by it one more time. Yes, let's go. A largemouth. River bass right there. No, I don't want my picture. Fish number 1. Giant right there, Cody.
I saw him.
That's the magnum largemouth. Where'd it go? There you go, guys. An old magnum. There we go, guys. Hooked up on the buzz bait. Nice little dude. Came out and crushed it. Fishing the grass over here. Oh yeah. See you, buddy. Let's get another one. All right, this is one of the most pretty stretches on the river I've seen. You got big boulders over here. Look at that. Big old boulders. Haven't got a bite over here. I don't know what's going on. Gotta find some of these fish. You got any bites, Cody? No bites. Wow. There's one. Let's go.
Well, son, you've got lakes and rivers within 30 minutes.
I got one. What is that? Oh my gosh. I caught a walleye.
Let me get a picture.
I caught a walleye.
Hold on.
Or a sauger or something.
Don't take him off.
Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys.
You want to take him
I did not know there were walleye or sauger even in here. Not sure. If you guys know if this is a sauger or a walleye. You guys know if this is a sauger or a walleye, let me know. Not quite sure how to tell. I think it's a sauger just because I've seen more walleye. And this doesn't look really like a walleye. It's cool though.
That's the shot.
There he goes.
Oh, I got it.
You got it? You got the picture
I
just in
got a
time? He
great
flopped
shot.
back in.
Yeah. So
All
I
right.
can see him now from the, when I look at the picture.
All right, we're gonna get another one here. A birthday walleye. It's my birthday today, guys. I forgot to tell you that. All right, here we go. Got one. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. That's a good one there. River bass. Stay down. Oh, it's a smallmouth, I think. No, it's a spotted bass. That's awesome. Let's go. Look at that, guys. Beautiful spotted bass right up here in this eddy. That is gorgeous. Look at that. About a 2-pounder.
I'm over here.
Nope. Spotted bass. There he goes. Right back down in the eddy, and now I'm floating around in this eddy. So I probably spooked whatever else was down here out. On the shaky head. Caught everything except for one on the shaky head. Caught that one medium-sized bass on the buzz bait. See if there's another one in this eddy. Eddy. Guys, I'm hooked up. Got another one. Giant goggle eye.
Hold on, wait. I want a picture of him.
See ya.
Oh.
There it goes. That's 2. Bring him on. Bring it on, fish.
Let me get out of your
Let's get number 3. There's one. Oh yeah. Another one. Let's go. Yes. Oh, come on. Another spotted bass. Another one, baby. There we go. Cool little red eyes on them. Beautiful. Another one on the shaky head. Great little river bait. Look at him look around. So what are we looking at? All right, buddy. See ya. Guess I'm gonna get back down there and catch another one. Another one. Little goggle eye. Look how red his eyes are, guys. Super red. Super red and glowing. That's so cool. See you, little buddy. It's crazy them little things get in their mouth. All right, we're gonna move on. 2 goggle eyes, 2 bass. Not bad, not bad. Find another eddy. On down. One. It's a bluegill on a buzz bait. Wow, you're kidding me. a pumpkin seed bluegill on a buzzbait. All right. Oh, that's cool. Bass ought to munch this thing then. Bluegill are eating it. There's one. Let's go. Another one. Oh, it's a beautiful little pumpkin seed. Super orange belly. Look at that. Pretty little fish. That's beautiful. There's one. It's a goggle eye. Another goggle eye. Got him. You don't need a picture of this. I thought there'd be more fish in here. There's one. No.
No?
It's another goggle eye. He's behind a log. Wow. Well, they have such red eyes. Very cool fish. See the little dude. Alright guys, I'm all turned around here. We got us a spotted bass. There we go. Little guy. Little guy. Pretty little guy. See ya. There's one. Oh, fighter. Oh yeah. Not bad at all. Oh shoot, I'm about to go into the logs. Whew. Got a back pedal. Oh. And I'll just sit up against this log, I think. Yeah, that's a decent little guy. Oh shoot, here I go. And I'm going. Oh, don't get hooked, babe. Wow.
Don't act like that was my fault.
I'm not. I just didn't have any control. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not trying to stop. I hooked the bag.
Yes, you did.
This is a mess.
This is a big mess.
And there's a big log. Don't turn over on this log.
She's gonna stop on the log. I'm gonna
Don't watch your equipment in the
try.
back. We don't want that
Oh
in the
shoot!
water.
Here, let go. Kayak. All right. Oh,
Well,
what a
take
mess.
your picture.
What a mess. See you, buddy.
Oh, no
All for the picture and then you threw it back.
It wasn't for the picture.
right here.
It wasn't for the picture.
Stop.
I'm trying to get untangled. That's what I'm trying to do.
Want me to go up there and try to get the hook out?
No, I just.
Floating?
In there pretty good.
Whew. I'm a mess. That was a mess. I caught him though. Alright guys, we are just packing up the yaks, getting done off the river. Great time. Did you have fun, babe?
Yeah, that was a blast.
First yak experience.
So fun.
And we caught a few fish. She caught a goggle eye, caught a few goggle eye, spotted bass, largemouth, and pumpkin seed. Did you have fun, Mom?
It was the best ever.
It was beautiful.
Great day, perfect weather, a little breeze, warm sun,
It was
an
beautiful.
osprey flying over us on the cliff.
Yeah, there were some big
Very
cliffs,
special.
big rocks. You guys didn't get to see the beauty of it all, just kind of when we caught fish, because I know that's what you guys like. But anyways, we're gonna get out of here for the day. It was my 27th birthday today, so had a good time. Mom flew down from Missouri and we kayaked here in Alabama. So I hope you enjoyed. Catch you guys next time here on Fishing with Nordbye.